Clear communication communication, its definition is sharing of ideas, transmission and interaction of facts and ideas. How Contour applies to communication is clearly and thoughtfully stating ideas, listening to others' thoughts and opinions as well, and focus on clients' needs and concerns. And then clear communication, like I said before, clear communication is when thoughts, ideas, and facts are shared within a group or an individual. We'll execute this by setting SMART goals, having a certain specific task to focus on within a time frame, making sure that our clients' needs are being taken care of effectively and timely manner, and then build collaboration skills, making sure that our work team is on the same page and all ideas are being considered, listening to and problem-solving workshop assignments, set agenda and send recap to have a plan of what's going on to be done, and follow up with the client clearly showing their concerns and questions are being met and answered.
One of our main focuses going forward is going to be on intentional work, which is deliberate and purposeful actions aimed at achieving specific goals. In this case, our specific goal is increasing customer centeredness. We're going to be doing this through a 6-week course that is aimed at current Contour employees on helping them develop a more thoughtful decision making in policy development that is centered around the customer and the customer's needs, also on the feedback we've already gotten from customers. We're also going to increase our precision in client interactions and service delivery. So basically, we're going to be having a questionnaire at the end of every purchase online and in person. At the end of every in-person session, there will be a questionnaire that is filled out as to how we can better our services and how we can make them feel safer in our environment. We're also going to focus on quality outcomes rather than solely on financial considerations, which means we're going to focus on the quality that we are offering to our customers and the quality of their experience rather than faster financial considerations, because once the client base starts to grow, once the clients start to feel safer, once the clients start coming back because this feels welcoming, then our finances will grow as well. When we got feedback that our customers felt that there was an ethical breach being made by our non-refundable policy, we knew something needed to change. We're going to be implementing an intentional learning environment where we can learn with purpose and conscious effort to acquire new knowledge, skills, and insights with a specific goal in mind, which is building a more customer-centric approach. We will be doing this by setting clear goals, defining specific learning objectives and milestones, like building a more customer-centric approach through policy and product development. We are also going to be diversifying our learning methods by utilizing various resources, including workshops, courses, and mentorships. Our workshops and courses will be led by specialists in the area of policy and product development with a customer-centric approach. And our mentorship program will be for employees who have not gone through our training yet. They will be led by another employee who has gone through our training. And finally, we're going to be building a feedback loop, which our surveys will be crucial for. We will get our surveys back and we will understand and synthesize the information that is given, but also we're going to have various places on the website where you can give feedback, good or bad. We're going to have a link at the bottom of our website, and we're also going to have a phone number at the bottom of our website that you can call and give any feedback.
Lifelong learning. Lifelong learning is the concept of continuously looking for opportunities to evolve and adapt knowledge and understanding when it comes to a subject. How lifelong learning can apply to Contour. Never being content and always striving to be better and improve. Second, inviting future possibilities within the company. And third, keeping up with an ever-changing industry to stay relevant. Modern careers and companies can be compared to non-stop conveyor belts, meaning we need to keep evolving and adapting in order to avoid getting left behind and potentially going out of business. We will implement lifelong learning ideas by first utilizing customer feedback, taking negative feedback of customers, such as regarding the non-refundable deposit discussed, and making appropriate changes to the pricing of our services. Also, on the other hand, taking positive feedback to continue implementing successful practices. Second, we will update or create new services by recognizing when changes need to be made to services offered and when certain services are trending or being relatively unused, and acting appropriately. Third, learning from failure. We will understand and recognize that some tactics and services will fail. There will be failures on a daily basis, but learning from these failures to be as successful as possible.